Hi, friends!
Big Pond is a charming community in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia, and sits along the south shore of Bras d'Or Lake. It's surrounded by rolling hills, lush forests, and peaceful waterfronts, creating a picturesque landscape. The Cape Breton Highlands provide a stunning backdrop, offering scenic views that are truly breathtaking. Within Big Pond, you'll find two ponds, aptly named Big Pond and Open Pond, that add to its charm and natural beauty. Located between St. Peter's and Sydney, Big Pond enjoys a central location in Cape Breton. The UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, Bras d'Or Lake, wraps around the community, offering opportunities for boating and enjoying the outdoors. Big Pond has a rich history, known for producing talented singers like Rita McNeil and Gordy Sampson. In Mi'kmaq, it was called Naugtubaguguk, which means, it stands alone.
Very much.
From quiet winters to lively summers, Big Pond welcomes beachgoers and visitors alike to enjoy its serene shores and vibrant community.